Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anand and today in this video I'll tell you how to download and install MySQL. So first of all guys, you have to open a browser and in the browser you have to type download MySQL for Windows. Okay, and you have to press enter and you have to scroll down and you have to open this link. Okay, or else I will provide this link on the description, so directly you can visit on this site. Now here you will see the two options for downloading, this one and this one. Okay, so you have to select the last one, means the second one. Okay, so click the download button and now here you have to click on this one. Okay, no thanks, just start my download, this one. So I'll click on this, so download will start here, you can see. So after downloading this, I'll tell you how to install. So guys, once downloading is completed, you have to open your file manager and you have to go to your download folder, because all the download items store into the downloads folder. So after that, here you will find MySQL installer or community, and then you have to double click on it. And guys, if you are using any antivirus software in your system, then it will ask the permission, so you have to click on the yes button. Okay, so now I will double click on this downloaded file. Okay, so guys, after double clicking on it, it will start processing and it will open this interface. Now choosing a setup type, you have to select the custom and then click on the next button, and after that here select product. You have to expand this MySQL servers and expand up to last, and then select on it and click on the arrow button to drag and drop on the right side. Then applications, MySQL Workbench, and expand up to last, then select this option and then click on the arrow button to drag and drop, means whatever option I'm selecting you have to do the same. Then MySQL Shell and select the last and then drag and drop. Okay, by clicking arrow button, then next button, then you have to click on the execute button, and after that you have to click on the next button again, then you have to click again next button, and whatever by default is selected you have to keep it the same and then click on next button. And here also you have to keep it the same, whatever by default is selected. Okay, then click on the next button, and here guys you have to add a password. Whatever password you will add here, so that password you have to keep remember. If you forget it, then it means you have to uninstall MySQL again and you have to install. Okay, so that's why this is very important thing. So click next and then you have to keep it default and click on the next button again. Then here again I'll keep it the same, whatever by default is selected, and after that I'll click on the next button. Then guys, here I'll click on the execute button. So now after that you have to click on the finish, and then you have to click on next button again, and then you have to click on the finish button, so installation will be completed. Okay, so now after that here I will close all the applications whatever it is open by default. So now guys, after completing the installation process, so here you have to go to the search and here you have to type MySQL and Workbench. Okay, so now you have to open this one. So after that here you will get local instance MySQL, so you can open this one and here you can write all these queries. Okay, so in the next video I'll tell you how you can run the queries and how you can write the queries.